Hello, come here.
Wow, this looks amazing.
It's amazing, right?
Yeah.
So this is actually the ordinary Sri Lankan man's lunch, is what you'll be eating today. So right here, first of all, we have our traditional rice. So you saw how rice came to be.
Yeah.
Straight from the paddy fields to the grinder, and then the lady grinded it, and then she put it onto the winnowing fan, got the rice grains out, extracted it, and then finally it comes to the kitchen, you cook it, ends up in the table. This is the end product. That's the rice. Here we have the kirikos. We get this kirikos from a fruit called the jackfruit.
Okay.
Jackfruit is one of the largest, it's actually the biggest fruit in the world.
Right.
And in the Sri Lankan culture, in our dishes, the jackfruit, it can be used to create a variety of dishes. So here at Kurunegala, we have used it to create 3 dishes. So first off, it's the kirikos, but you can create more than that as well.
Okay.
And then next off here, we have the freshwater fish curry, which is been made from the fish caught around the lakes from the area. Freshwater fish.
Okay.
It's a rice, the spicy rice, spicy curry made from the fish. That's that. And then we have...
This is a kind of protein what the villagers get.
Yes, that's the main source of protein. The fishes from the lakes, what we
Right.
fish from, that's our main source of protein.
Right.
And then here we have our traditional favorites around Kurunegala. It is the coconut sambal. So as you enter the location in Kurunegala, you saw many trees, coconut trees around the area.
Coconut plantations.
Plantations, exactly. So out of that, this is one of the main dishes in Sri Lankan culture.
Right.
This, people always even eat rice only with the coconut sambal as well.
Wow.
It's that good.
Right.
And then of course we have manioc here, which is also called cassava. And then finally some desert bananas.
Wow.
So Errol, please have yourself a plate.
Sure.
Enjoy. Do you need a spoon, by the way?
Now, let me try it the traditional way. Let me use
Perfect.
my fingers.
That's how you should eat
Good.
in Sri Lanka. Go ahead.
Thank you. What about you?
I will have it.
You joining me?
Of course I will.
Good. First you serve the rice, right?
Yes, get the rice.
And this is the jackfruit.
The jackfruit. What we call it in is kirikos.
Kirikos. And the protein fish.
Freshwater fish, straight from the lakes around the area.
This looks spicy.
It is spicy, very spicy. We Sri Lankans love spicy food.
Let me try it. And then the coconut.
The coconut sambal.
I like the vibrant color of this.
Oh yes. Wait till you see how spicy it is.
So, go ahead. I'll join you.
Of course, right. Enjoy.
Thank you. Taste. I can tell you it's already nice.
In the Sri Lankan way, you have to mix everything together
Right.
perfectly. The mixed product is the best.
Mixed with the rice, right?
Yes.
This is really nice.
You get the sweet taste as well from the...
Absolutely. You taste the fruitiness of it. Although it's a vegetable, I don't know, it's a beautiful fruit. Now to the challenging part. It's very spicy.
Very spicy.
But
of
you,
course.
you smell the fragrance of the spices. It's all there. And the meat is really soft, right?
Yes. Gathered within the day, freshwater fish straight from the lake.
You actually see the freshness of the fish.
You taste it.
You can really say it's fresh, really fresh. Whoa. That's spicy,
Spicy, no?
but that's nice. It blends with all the food.
Exactly, exactly. The trick is you have to mix everything together perfectly, and
right.
then only you get the burst of flavors in your mouth. That's the Sri
I really
Lankan way.
like the jackfruit, and even the fish is very fresh.
What happens is all these ingredients, when you add them together, it really complements the flavor.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yes.
I'm experiencing this eating with my fingers also.
Yes.
A very
That's how we Sri
challenging thing.
Lankans used to eat since
Yeah,
older
I've
days.
seen.
Our grandmothers, our mothers.
That's nice. Why don't you join me?
Of course, I'll join you.
This is one of the best experiences I've had so far.
I'm glad.
So the fruit comes as a dessert?
We Sri Lankans, we always use fruits for desserts. It's been always like that since the older days.
So basically everything is within the surroundings of this area, right? That's the beauty of this.
That's our concept. We try to make it as fresh and whole as possible.
Right.
So these ingredients you see today,
Right.
the ingredients have been gathered in the same day.
Same day.
Same day, it ensures it's very fresh.
Yeah.
It's very whole and very healthy as well. Because in the older days...
it shows that the rich heritage of this country.
Exactly.
Brilliant. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please, enjoy.